Hey guys, Ryan here. Welcome to my April 2020 passive income report. Let's get to the numbers. So Amazon FBA led the way with profits. It generated $9,315.97. Second was my dropship print on demand sales. We anticipated they would see a boost in sales because Amazon merch closed, and they, I think, tripled or quadrupled month over month to $3,988.84. Next, Google Ads actually came in third this month with $1,191.95, followed by Amazon KDP, $80.08, and Amazon Merch, $23.81. So if we scroll down, by the way, if you guys want to see my website post, there's always a link in the description where you can kind of read along in the blog post, but I'm doing a little video recap. I know most people probably prefer, I know I prefer getting my information through video usually, so. Amazon FBA, I did 2,531 sales, generating $77,341.29 in revenue. Now, just to let you guys know really quick, that would have been over $100,000 revenue for sure if it wasn't for the cerveza sickness, which definitely really hurt my normal product sales because my best-selling products are to businesses. I think I've mentioned that in previous videos, but it's just how it is. So small businesses that normally were buying my products are not buying them right now, as you would expect. You know, I'm getting minor sales, but you can also, it's not just me. If I go to the niche on Amazon, you see the BSRs across the board. Literally, like what would normally be 1,000 BSR is like 20,000 BSR for the top organic spot. So it's, you know, it's tough on everybody selling in that niche. But that's why I always say you should diversify your offerings. I am pretty well diversified, which is how I still had a really nice up month because my newest product that I launched in 2019, and I mentioned this in the previous income reports, you can actually go back and check them out if you care, but I took a loss or I broke even for months and months and months, and I built up more and more reviews, and my whole plan was to see, and I said this in those videos, I was like, I'm going to give it a year and see, I'm going to really evaluate if I should continue to sell these products next year after they've gotten the reviews, shown Amazon that these listings are optimized, they're converting, etc. And I actually did a video on this on my channel, but as you can see here, on April 19th, I had like a massive spike in sales. I sold like over 300, almost 350 of these products. And on that single day, I did just under $15,000 of sales just through Amazon FBA. So that was a massive day. And then I sold out of the product. I actually have two variations of it. I'm sold out of both. And here's what's crazy. So on that best day, when I sold just under 350 of them, Amazon right now, due to inbound shipment restrictions, will only let me send in 632 units. So I was able to sell over half of that in a single day, and Amazon will only let me send in 632. So again, the cerveza sickness is going to impact my business in a negative way. Is what it is, though, you know. It's just is what it is. This is my sales and profitability across the board for my top SKUs, and it is clearly heavily slanted towards the two big products that I've been referring to, the two variations, generating about $60,000 of revenue between them on the month. My campaign manager stats. So I ended up like just outright turning off a bunch of my advertising campaigns just because the normal advertising, it doesn't make sense right now. Like for products like the ones I sell to businesses, the demand's not there. It's diminished, right? So I don't really need to be overspending for ads to compete for such a small pie, you know, because ultimately it's, I don't know, my products aren't struggling to get the organic rank. They're already ranked well. So maybe if I launched a new product, I would try to take advantage of right now. But what I was noticing was like bids needed to be like dramatically altered to account for, you know, basically what I'm saying is I was overpaying. Like all of my bids that were normal needed to be like slashed in half or even more. So I just went in and started turning off campaigns because I'm getting sales either way. This is a unique time. That's not advice you would normally hear me say, but I think right now it just made sense. And I did another video on my YouTube channel talking about my lowball bid strategy where I was literally getting like relevant keywords, launching new advertising campaigns, and bidding like 10 cents or maybe if it's an exact phrase, an exact match, do like 12 cents, 13 cents. Super low ball, but I'm seeing results. Not crazy results, but I'm seeing results. So I would suggest if you guys are selling on Amazon and you haven't tried that, just give it a shot. Because if that's working, you can go turn off your other campaign and just go with the low ball bids for now. All right, moving on. Amazon merch. Yeah, this fell off a cliff. I did 9 sales, brought in $173.72 of revenue, which I kept $23.81 as a royalty. My average royalty was $3.51. And USA, obviously, that market had $0 of sales on the month because they had to close, unfortunately. I'm sure you guys saw me do plenty of videos talking about how you should take advantage of the Printful Amazon Seller Central integration to basically get a piece of the pie that, you know, the demand is still there, but Amazon merch listings were removed from the equation. So a lot of us made good money doing that, but I'm skipping ahead to the next section. So real quick, I did 1440 pound sterling in the UK and 525. This is profit, by the way, of euros in Germany. Unfortunately, we couldn't submit new products, so I couldn't just like start uploading more to those marketplaces. And I have a decent number of listings on those marketplaces, but not too many. So, I knew it was going to be a down month. But fortunately, so as I record this video, it is May 2nd, but on May 1st, Amazon Merch broke news that they are reopening in the United States, and while publishing has not resumed yet, so we can't publish new products, they are rolling out re-enabling our existing products, which is, again, great news. I got a sale yesterday. Felt like it had been forever since I saw a sale on my merch dashboard for the US, but brought in a nice $19.99 shirt, so I got $5.23 of profit from it. All right, and if you cared to see the charts, this is my merch UK sales. I did 5 sales, and my Germany sales, I did 4 on the month. Nothing too impressive, but hey, profit's profit. I'll take it. Dropship print on demand. So this is the big one that you're probably here to see. I did 672 sales, generating $3,988.84 of profit. If I was still on Etsy, I probably would have done like $3-4 grand of profit on Etsy if I had to guess. I mean, the way that my Amazon sales spiked, I would imagine Etsy would spike too, big time. Unfortunately, I had some bad actors reporting some of my listings, and Etsy terminated my account. That's something that happened in October of 2019. So if you guys want to go back and check that out, I go into in depth about what happened. But anyways, Amazon.com, 305 sales. Amazon.co.uk, check that out, 140 sales. I think I dropped a video either this month or the month. No, it was this month. It was in April. Well, this month, April. Saying, hey guys, check out UK. I mean, a lot of people took my advice, started selling on Printful Amazon integration in the US. And it's like, once you figure that out, start building your catalog up in an overseas marketplace. So for me, I do UK, even though that's not the second biggest market, but I did that because I was selling through the Pan-European FBA program for about a year and a half. Not recommended, by the way. But so I already had the Seller Central account, and this is just me maximizing my profit from doing that. So 140 sales. I think I brought in, even though I don't list the profit for each marketplace, I think I do maybe down here. Yeah. So Amazon.com, $2,031.59 of profit. Amazon.co.uk, $1,289 of profit. Redbubble, $381 of profit. TeePublic, $232 of profit. So again, it adds up, guys. I mean, I did just under 4K in profit on the month. And, by the way, I can teach you how. I have a full course, over 60 lectures, 10 modules of not only how to do this, but how you can pretty much streamline the business processes and do it almost on complete autopilot, guys. So check that out if you're interested. There's always a link in the description. It's called my Dropshipped Print on Demand course. All right, eBay, 3 sales, Etsy, 0, Redbubble, 129 sales, Spreadshirt, 3, TeePublic, 89 sales, Teespring, 0, Zazzle, 1 sale. By the way, I show you how to automate uploads to the last 5 marketplaces listed here. And actually, you know what I didn't mention, I forgot to, was that I also did a couple sales, like less than 5 or so, on Wish. So I always upload to Wish as well. And that brought in some extra money this month, but I did not list it on the income report because I forgot. All right, Amazon KDP. I did 44 sales, bringing in $80.08 of profit. My average royalty was $1.82. That brings my profit to date up to $1,047. Now, granted, everything is impacted in a negative way due to the cerveza sickness, and $80 in a month is not a lot of money. But here's the thing, like, I'm up over $1,000 on the year, and I've also mentioned in the previous income reports that I was a little guilty of taking time off of uploading to KDP. I only just started last year in October, but for what it's worth, like, all I did when I got started was I converted my merch listings, those designs, to KDP book covers, and I sold them as low content and no content books. And in my first 10 weeks, I made $3,500 worth of profit, which, again, you can go back on those income reports and just see it. So if anybody's seeing like $80 and thinking like, oh, why should I do KDP? $80 is nothing. Any business, any retail business or e-commerce business is evaluated on a 365-day scale. So if you're like, don't take this the wrong way, but if you're short-sighted and you say, oh, this month, $80, that's waste of time. It's like, it's not a waste of time, because first of all, you don't know how long it took me to generate that $80. If you listen to how I talk about how I run my businesses, it is either autopilot or it's extremely streamlined and easy to do. And I teach all of that in my courses, by the way. So I'm not like, because I don't want to make a bunch of money, but be a slave to the business to make that money. So I'm always focusing on streamlining things. How can we boil it down to less steps, less clicks, etc.? And I have a really good process for KDP. And when you see my 2020 year to date at year end, it will be much higher than $1,000. By the way, if whatever job you work at gave you $1,000, you'd be pretty happy, right? So I'm already up over 1,000 through 4 months, and it's not exactly in ideal scenarios, right? So that's KDP. And then real quick, just to touch on Google Ads, I did $1,191.95 of earnings. YouTube brought in $812 of revenue from that. By the way, starting a YouTube channel, what a good idea. If you're stuck at home, all you need is a phone, by the way. Like, a phone is enough to shoot 1080p video in good quality. You might want to buy a mic. So this is the Yeti mic. What is it called? I forget. It's called like the Yeti mic. This is an affordable option. You can get it used for like $80, and it is great. So that's about all you probably need to get a YouTube channel started if you're interested. Website revenue from the website I built in college brought in $379.74 from Google ad revenue. I also do direct partnerships with different companies, and I run some affiliate stuff on there too. So, I mean, that's not the full picture, but just letting you know. 913,832 page views, over 2 million ad impressions. That's from Google. You can see it here on the chart. So yeah, the website does pretty well traffic wise. And here are my Google Analytics for the site: 313,000 users, 400,000 sessions, 563,000 page views. I don't know if you guys are actually interested in seeing any of this. I just figured I'd share it because why not? I'm trying to give you guys a full picture of like how I'm generating passive income, that ultimately let me quit my 9-to-5 job where I was making a pretty comfortable 6-figure salary. All right, YouTube, $812. Which actually this had dropped off in March when things were really starting to get a little crazy around the world due to the pandemic, but it seems to have normalized. So being above $800 is nice. I gained 1,300 subscribers. Thank you. If you guys aren't subscribed, by the way, go ahead and click that button. Do me a favor. And also drop me a comment, say what's up, introduce yourself. I see and respond to pretty much everything, guys. Yeah, I'm up over 11,200 subscribers, so thank you guys that have already clicked that button. While you're down there, if you want to hit the like button, that would be doing me a huge favor. Real quick, I wanted to let you know about Webull. This is my new favorite investing app, and they're giving you 2 free stocks just for signing up. But these aren't like $5 stocks. They're giving you stocks worth up to $1,400. I have a friend who received a Berkshire Hathaway Class B stock just for signing up that was valued at over $200 at the time. So if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description that you can use to sign up. And bouncing back up to the top, guys, just to recap the sales and give you my aggregate, my total sum of profit on the month. FBA brought in $9,315 of profit. Dropship print on demand, $3,988. Amazon KDP, $80. Amazon merch, $23. Google ads, $1,191 for a grand total on the month of $14,665 of passive income profits. by the way, it's worth pointing out that spending is down right now. Like spending across the board on non-essential things, just in general in e-commerce, in retail, is down. So this is a down month, and I cracked $14,600 of passive income profits. And when I say passive again, it's pretty darn passive, guys. You know by now, if you've subscribed to my channel, you know that I'm always looking to not only find a way to make money, but then try to do it on autopilot. And I'm getting better and better at that. And yeah, if you guys are interested in learning about how I run each of these businesses, minus the Google Ads one, I do not have any real like written content or recorded content about how I did that. But hey, if you're interested, you can always shoot me a message. I'm willing to, help you guys get your website started or your YouTube channel started. You can always feel free to ask me questions. I'm pretty accessible, guys. Thank you so much, though, for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed it, the only thing I ask is hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. That also helps the YouTube algorithm get my content out in front of more people. So that would be great, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.